In a quaint town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, two girls lived worlds apart. Clara, the daughter of a wealthy mill owner, lived in a grand mansion with golden gates and a rose garden. Despite her luxurious life, she often felt lonely, dreaming of adventures beyond her books. Across the river, Lila lived in a small cottage with a wild sunflower patch. Her life was simple, chasing chickens, tending the garden, and selling wildflowers at the market, but her laughter was infectious, and her heart was full of joy. One day, Clara slipped away from her governess and wandered into the town square. There she spotted Lila's flower cart, bursting with daisies and lavender. "They're lovely," Clara exclaimed. Lila grinned, explaining how flowers have feelings. The two girls talked for hours, and Clara invited Lila to see her garden. The next day, Lila arrived at the mansion, spotted her patched dress and scuffed shoes, contrasting with Clara's silk gown. Clara showed her the rose garden, the singing fountain, and the grand library. In return, Lila taught Clara to whistle with grass and climb trees. They started a secret garden, mixing roses and sunflowers, symbolizing their unlikely friendship. Clara's father, noticing her newfound happiness, supported their bond. He offered Lila's family fair work at the mill, and Lila's mother taught Clara's family to knit. The town marveled at the odd pair, but Clara and Lila didn't care. They had found something priceless, a friendship that bloomed despite their differences. Years later, the two women still tended their mixed garden, their laughter filling the air. The roses and sunflowers grew side by side, a testament to their enduring bond. They had learned that kindness grows best in soil made rich by difference.